In front of me I've got Huawei Mate 20 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's open Google Pay. Tap Get Started. And now reset the app. I'm doing it because due to update, interface of Google app has changed. And as you can see, this is the new homepage of Google app. In the beginning, from here you can add payment method and different types of cards. Then, if you go here, you got access to all your payment methods, full list of participating banks, and your full activity. Next, in settings you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and edit your account info. Then we've got contactless setup, where you can turn on NFC, set payment method, check if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Then we've got help and support, send feedback, and access to our Google account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.